Hi guys! I went to a pick your own farm and wanted to show you the beautiful fruit and vegetables that are in season now. I hope you get a chance to visit a farm near you. If not, this video will give you the full experience. This is Ochs Farm in Warwick, New York. I visit every year, mostly in the fall for apple picking, but also in the summer for peaches, corn, and berries. It looks pretty much the same as it did 10 years ago when my daughter was little. Drive past the market, restrooms on the left, beautiful flowers, and up to the parking lot. Get a wristband. It's $5 each for 5 years old and up. You will each get a token, and that's $3 off your purchase at the end. Help yourself to boxes of different sizes depending on what you want to pick. They'll also give you a map and show you what's available for picking now. The prices for the produce will be higher than at a store, but it's completely worth it for the experience, and you'll never get produce that tastes better than fresh picked. We walked to the Nectarines first. There are tons of apple trees, but they're not ready to harvest yet. We'll come back in the fall for the best apples I've ever had in my area. Unripe nectarines. I think she found the nectarines. They look like red jewels. Extremely juicy and sweet, not the tasteless ones at the store. Honestly, I rarely buy nectarines because it's hard to get good ones.
Still looking at a screen instead of being active in the environment around you.
My daughter is not happy when I take videos, but I really wanted to show you guys. The apples are endless. There is a calendar on their website with the different varieties and when they're ready to pick, so you can visit and get your favorite kind of apple.
Oh, you can walk a shame.
Ahead, look. The view is stunning. There's a gazebo where people rest and have a picnic lunch. I have mixed in some pictures from a long time ago when my daughter first visited the farm. This is what I really came for, the peaches, which are the best you can get around here. We're surrounded by peach trees. I picked a nice big ripe one. It's okay. Comes right off.
Can I eat it?
It's not soft. Maybe this one. No, it's still a little hard. Okay, I will try.
good. Oh my God, that's so good.
Why are the biggest ones all the way up top? I do wish I was taller. Some people bring a high pole to get the fruit. I'm not sure if the farm has any, but there are plenty of ones that you can reach. There's some green beans on the left. We left the nectarines and peaches in the car, off to pick blueberries, also in season now. These are all raspberry bushes. Lots of bushes filled with blueberries.
There's some big ones up there too, see? All the blue ones up there. Well, yeah, those.
Oh, the tomatoes. People were leaving with giant carts of ripe red tomatoes. I mean like 20, 30 pounds, even more. A lot of people make their own sauce, canned tomatoes, so it's worth it to come and pick fresh tomatoes. There are carts with handles you can rent if you plan on picking a lot. This way you don't have to haul them in the boxes or bags. It does get heavy after a while. The smell and taste of these tomatoes can't be beat. We have been eating them every day.
Oh, that smells so good. Here. Oh, you picked one too? Let's see. Wow, isn't it gorgeous? Oh, they're pretty.
Fun for the little ones. There's some benches too, and I forgot to take a picture, but there are plenty of sinks there where you can wash your hands. There's soap, so after you've done all your picking, you can get cleaned up. This is a perfect place to bring your kids, small or large. Pears that are not ready yet. The blackberries were very sweet and juicy. I have a large bush at home, but the birds get to them before I do. More pears. There's a petting zoo where you can feed these goats. Yarrow and lilies. I think you can pick flowers too. The market is open even when pick your own is not. Do call before you go to any pick your own farm, as the dates and times vary. There are sugar plums, vegetables, snacks, jarred peaches, and nut butters. Fruit by the basket if you don't want to pick your own. Jams, the bicolored corn, which is so sweet, a must try. Cider donuts, which are awesome. Frozen cider because it's summer. You can get fresh cider in the fall and it's absolutely delicious. The ice cream is amazing. Even teens will have fun at a farm. A great way to tire out a little one. Here's some corn on the way out. I hope you guys enjoyed this little farm tour. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.